What if I told you? The deadliest predator in the city isn't a beast, but a bird, smarter than you'll ever imagine? In the shadow of city streets lurks a mastermind you never suspect. This isn't just any bird. It's a cunning, cold-blooded strategist. Watch closely. The crow drops a nut right on the road. It knows the cars will do the dirty work. When the vehicles crush the shell, the crow just waits. Calm and clever. No tools. No hands. Just raw instinct. And ruthless intelligence. This is survival. Weaponized. Crows, the city's silent killers. Follow at Mindzap XO for the darkest truths.